My wife Duffy has her own career, and so therefore she can't always watch the show every morning. But she is making notes this morning because she found out that I was going to be talking to Dr. Trupti Patel about snoring. Obviously not my problem. She makes things up the following morning saying, I've been snoring all night. Is that fairly common, Dr. Patel?
It is actually 30 to 50% of us snore. Snoring occurs because not enough air flows through your nose and mouth, and this occurs because there's a restriction that takes place in the airway and the tissue vibrates, thus creating that snoring sound.
Men more than women, come on, tell me the truth.
I think it's pretty equally distributed.
Oh, you have no idea how I feel now going home later on today.
Well, so some of the common factors that contribute to snoring
Yes.
are age, alcohol consumption, weight, of course, and as well as allergies.
So if you have a couple of glasses of wine before you go to sleep, that's not the best thing from the standpoint of relaxing your nasal passages?
Absolutely not. So, sleep deprivation, which is ultimately what happens with snoring, can have a very negative impact on your health and well-being. So, some of the treatment options that are available for snoring have to do with lifestyle modification, of course. So, decreasing alcohol intake is certainly...
We'll move this all the way over here then.
Yes,
Closer to me, I'll protect it.
Yes, stop smoking. Of course, if you smoke, diet and exercise, weight reduction.
What about this?
And then, so this comes into play with sleep hygiene. So that entails getting a firmer type pillow. So one of these memory foam type pillows can certainly help. Also, sleeping from your back to your side has shown to improve snoring.
Okay, you're saying then move from back sleeping to a side position?
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh, that's interesting. By the way, I have seen all kinds of video and still pictures in advertising that involve the sleeper having a really unwieldy looking mask on.
Yes, that's called the CPAP. That's something that happens with sleep apnea, obstructive sleep apnea. But really, I'd like to focus more on just snoring in general because that's a medical condition and that really needs to be treated and diagnosed through a physician. So some of the natural remedies to help with snoring besides this, there's a new treatment by laser. Oh. And so Photona has developed a treatment called Night Lace. And it's using their top-of-the-line laser called Dynamis Pro, which is something we actually carry in our practice.
At Skinvolution.
Absolutely. It's Skinvolution Laser and Vein Center. It's a practice I've opened with my husband, who's a prominent cardiothoracic surgeon here in the Valley, Dr. Chandrahas Patel. So Night Lace, what it entails is basically I use this wand to focus laser energy to the back of your throat. And what it does is it constricts and tightens the tissue, generates collagen, and firms everything up. So you no longer have that restriction present while you're breathing.
And if you want to find out about this
up.
kind of treatment, as opposed to some of the other things that don't look quite as comfortable or relaxing when you're trying to get a good night's sleep, then you can contact the folks at Skinvolution.